Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legends channel. So friends, today I will talk about GameMax F46 ATX and F36 M-ATX gaming cases. So friend, okay. GameMax brand has announced gaming case and power supply unit, the F36 micro-ATX and F46 ATX gaming cases designed to support hidden connector motherboards such as ASUS BTF, MSI Project ZERO and GIGABYTE STEALTH motherboard, and the gaming cases feature a tool-free design for easy dimensionally and installation. And the GameMax F36 and F46 gaming case has mesh front panel optimized for cooling, and the case comes with pre-installed RGB cooling fans that deliver sufficient cooling out of the box. And F36 and F46 also feature a relocatable front I/O hub that can be placed either on top the chassis or front, giving builders more flexibility in their build. And friend, the case offer impressive cooling capabilities out of the box alongside excellent liquid cooling hardware support. The mesh panel front support unrestricted airflow compared to the tempered glass front panel, and the cases feature a short air duct design that placed air dam on the front fans directly to crucial components. And the micro ATX chassis comes with three pre-installed cooling fans and support all-in-one liquid cooler up to 280 mm radiator size. Meanwhile, the larger GameMax F46 ATX chassis comes with four pre-installed cooling fans and support all-in-one liquid cooling up to 360 mm radiator size. And the connectivity ports including USB 3.2, USB Type-C port, relocated from the front to the top. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.